Oh my God. What is that?
It's a bird.
Birds. Oh. Wow.
Sitting in the wall.
Sitting in the wall. The birds is sitting in the wall? Huh? Where are they? How many? Can you count the birds?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10 birds? More? More?
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Basketball.
Basketball. How many birds? Huh?
How many balls?
How many ball?
1 basketball.
1 basketball.
2 basketball.
2 basketballs.
3 basketball.
3 basketballs.
4 basketball.
4 basketball. Okay, we go inside na because it's raining. Come, bring the ball. Bring the ball inside. Come, bring the ball. Bring the ball inside. So, yeah.
The ball.
Pass the ball to mama. Dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Can you dribble the ball? Oy! Dribble the ball.
You're orange basketball.
Come here na. Hey do.
You're orange